Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to understand how the DAO layer is going to work in the JDBC. So first of all, we will create a new class. Here I am creating a new package, example2, and giving class name as a demo DAO. So first of all, we will take a table from the database. So I am choosing some table from the database. So let's see what are the tables that are present in our database. Here there are 3 tables and I am using the employee table here. So now let's check what are the data that are present in the employee table. As of now, there are 2 data present in the employee table, 101 and 103. Here there are 3 attributes, employee ID, employee name and role. Actually it should be ROLE, so no problem. So here in the DAO layer, we are going to fetch the name on the basis of the employee ID. So how we are going to fetch the name attributes? By using the employee ID. So for that one, we are using the DAO layer here. So first of all, I will write get employee. Here we have to write on what basis we are fetching the data. As of now, here we are fetching the name on the basis of employee ID. So I am writing employee ID as 103. I am going to find the name of employee whose employee ID 103. And giving reference as EM. And now we have to print that name. So I am writing system.out.println name. As of now, we are getting error get employee method is not created. To create a get employee method, first of all we will create a class. I am giving name as an employee DAO. And here I am creating the get employee method. Now here I am giving return type as an employee. Here we have given the parameter 103 and this parameter is belonging to the employee ID. So int EID. And now here we are going to create a object of employee. But we haven't created the class employee. For that one we have to first of all create a class of employee. So I am creating employee class where I am giving the variable as int EID and string name. Now we have to load our mysql driver to our Java program and we have to connect that one. So first of all we will load the driver in our program and we have to connect that one. So to load the driver we have to use class dot for name. As already we have learned how these things are working. Now we have to connect the driver. Now we have to create the statement. To create the statement we have to write con.create a statement. So now we are going to write some query. Select employee name from employee table where employee ID is 103. As after creating the employee object, we have to write emp.eid because here we are fetching the data on the basis of employee ID. And now we have to execute the query. To execute the query, we have to write st.execute query. After writing all these steps, we have to print the output. To print the output, first of all, we are going to write rs.next. And after that, we have to print the name of the employee. So to print the name of the employee, I am writing string name equal to rs dot get string 1. As here we are going to fetch only the name attributes, so I'm writing here only 1, and this employee name is stored as a name. As here we are getting error because we haven't returned the employee, so I'm going to return employee. Here I am using emp as a reference name. So now here we can create a employee DAO object, and now here we can use DAO.get. Now save the program. First of all, we will see the output what we are going to get in the database, so that we will match that output with our program. Select ename from employee, where eid equal to 103. Here we are getting output as Samser. Let's check that the same output we are going to get in our program or not. So let's save the program and run it. As you can see, here we are getting the same output that we got in the database. So this is the way how can you work with the DAO layer. In the next video, we will understand some more concept of the DAO layer. So thank you for now. Hope you like it. See you soon in the next video.